Servicing your bike yourself. Should you do it? What are the pros and cons? On one hand, it's effort. It's easier just to give it to a dealer, right? Now, it is cheaper by quite a lot. I'm currently doing a mid-level service, which is oil, filters, spark plugs, and then the usual health check of the bearings and the tyres and whatnot. And this service kit cost me, I think it was £48, something like that. Whereas getting this done at a dealer would be £250 up. It also takes some time to do it. So you've got to have a good half a day on Saturday or something like that, or Sunday as it is today, to get it done. And you've got to kind of know what you're doing, so you've got to have some of the tools. This, for example, is, I mean, you can use this nut on the end, but not all oil filters have it. So I have this, basically holds it, and you can then spin it off like that. Really simple. It's obviously a tool you need to buy. Links in the description, by the way. Having said that, there's no faff of booking dealers and can you bring your bike over at 8:30 AM on a Thursday the 9th in 3 weeks time, and then you got to get back from the dealer or sit there for 4 hours. Whereas this, I order the parts, they turn up, and then I just need to spend a couple of hours on a Saturday. Out with the old, in with the new. I'll talk that up in a minute before you start shouting. Some people say that the dealer will do it better than you, which to a degree, yeah, they're trained. However, in my experience, some of the dealers use just basic parts, whereas I can choose to use a better grade oil, a high flow oil filter, high flow air filter. I suppose another plus is the fact that you get to know the bike quite well. I've taken these panels off countless times. I know how the bike goes together, I know how it comes apart, I know what is right and what's wrong, and the bits that I've lost or broken. I might mark this as not safe for work, because this trace is about to get naked. And it's not a good looking thing when it's naked. It's pretty difficult to mess it up if you've got half a sense of what you're doing. So the only real negatives for me, if it's a new bike, you may void the warranty doing it yourself. So if your bike's still under warranty, it might be best to get it done at a dealer just for that period. Also, something to bear in mind is the fact that your resale value of the bike, trading it in value, things like that, will be affected because it's not full dealer service. That doesn't matter as much when it's an older bike. The main reason it's affected is because you get some absolute morons doing this sort of stuff. They don't do it well, they strip threads, they don't put the right oil in, they don't put the right spark plugs in, etc, etc. So it can void the warranty and it can affect your resale. But if you're planning on keeping the bike for a while, does it really matter? You'll save more money servicing it yourself over 3 or 4 years than you'll lose in the resale value. For me, that doesn't really worry me. I think the pros of it outweigh the cons. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to crack on with this because it's getting late. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.